Hello everyone, welcome to Office 365. Till today we created so many things. From create module, we learn how to store the data, we learn how to execute it, as well as we know now how to communicate with people. Now today we will cover these two parts, Power Automate and Power App, in which our day-to-day activity or some reminder activity we can automate. So let's have a look how to do that by using Power Automate and Power App.
You're ready to take your business to the next level. Problem is, you're held back by processes that are manual and time-consuming. You can't find any off-the-shelf apps or services to solve your team's specific challenges, and you lack the developer budget to have a custom app built from scratch. Introducing Microsoft Power Apps, a powerful new way to turn business expertise into custom applications. With Power Apps, your team can quickly and easily create apps without writing a single line of code. That's right, the power to transform your business is in your hands. Power Apps has an intuitive design interface to guide you the whole way as you create apps for your team or business. Your app can integrate with data you already have or use our built-in platform. You can build apps for the web and mobile and take full advantage of your device's features. Plus, you can share apps with your team and quickly customize them as your business evolves. It's time to boost your team's productivity with a custom app that's exactly the right fit for your business.
So this was introduction to Power App. Now let's learn what is Power Automate. This is to create automated workflows. As you can see that there are some ready-made templates available as per the subject. 9 templates for sales, 12 templates to keep you informed when on the go. Now in that I want to use a template related with education. So I have 6 templates to simplify common classroom task. Generally when you say classroom task, we are always concerned with taking quiz and sending feedback. So when you want to set any automated feedback or when you want to keep any automated feedback message, in that case you can use this type of power tool. Then you can use this type of power tool for publishing calendars or to set reminders to a student before online exams. So how to do that? Let's learn. Now this is notify me in Outlook when a student complete a quiz. So I am expecting from computer that computer should notify me when any student will complete his or her quiz. So for that what I am supposed to do is I am supposed to log in to all my Microsoft product which is already there. So this little green tick mark is showing that. Now I will click on continue. As you know, Microsoft Forms are used for creating quiz. In last lecture we already created test 1 quiz. Yes, that we have here. So we can use this ready-made quiz. So second question, apply to each. Now select an output from previous step. List of response. As I told you, for student, if you want to keep some automated reply, then we can write that reply in this box. Great, keep it up. This will be my auto reply. Then get response detail, in which you can select form ID and response ID. Now what is form ID, what is response ID, that you will come to know when you will select any response. Automatically he will create one Excel file and in which you will get email ID wise response summary. You can keep Outlook file ready with email contacts and you can attach that file in this area. Then when I will go to next step, he will ask me for some more details. Choose action. What you want to do? You want to control that particular message or you want to delete a row or get a row. So anything, whatever you want to do automated, that you can keep in this area. So you have so many options. You can set everything whatever you required, and once it is done you can click on save. So in this way we are ready with one automated task for quiz.
You probably already know that Microsoft has a way to automate tons of highly repetitive manual tasks to seamlessly connect your favorite apps so you can be more productive. It's called Microsoft Power Automate, and now it's fully baked into the Microsoft Power Platform. Like when someone tweets about your company, Power Automate makes it easy for just about anyone to quickly create a flow that follows them, sends a nice reply, adds them to a spreadsheet that gets emailed to you for your approval, then adds their contact to Salesforce or Dynamics 365. And this streamlined approval process works with data in Twitter, Microsoft Teams, Excel, and over 100 other services too. However, you may not know that now you can easily automate legacy processes even if they don't have APIs, using a little bit of genius called Robotic Process Automation, or RPA, to create UI flows. For example, say you're a clinic operating off a legacy system. Every time you finish meeting with a patient, you have to extract lots and lots of data fields and details about their visit from your desktop to your patient tracking system. Ample opportunity for mistakes and a giant waste of time. With Power Automate, just create a UI flow that automatically records every action you take. Review it, make any edits you want, then add it to an existing flow. Simple as that. And this way you can seamlessly integrate your legacy software across modern applications and services without a big upfront investment. Power Automate lets you securely scale across your whole organization with confidence, from simple tasks to super complex enterprise-wide processes.
Did you find this video helpful? Then like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.